I'm not having it. Oops, I'm getting stressed now. Need a blending brush. Oh, I love it. Hello from me and my minion today, and in today's video we're gonna do a makeup tutorial. You know, the half-faced cultural makeup series has been so popular on my channel. I will be adding more videos to those series, and I just wanted to add another series where I'm doing an entire full face of makeup using just makeup products from one particular region or country. And today I'm gonna start with a British makeup, guys, and this is gonna be heavy with Zoeva cosmetics because I have a lot of new products from them to try. We've also got a couple of the Ordinary foundation. I've already reviewed the full coverage one. Today I'm going to be reviewing the serum foundation, and I'm trying to stay away from using Charlotte Tilbury in this video because I had a full dedicated Charlotte Tilbury video and I don't want to repeat and overlap products. I've also got drugstore products like Sleek and Makeup Revolution. Before starting today's video, I have a quick little announcement to make. I've been getting so many messages from you telling me that my videos don't show up in your subscription feed anymore. You're not getting notified anymore, so please make sure that you're still subscribed to my channel because some of you are just unsubscribed automatically. I don't know why YouTube is doing this. And also make sure to click that bell icon, and also follow me on social media so you know when I'm posting a new video. I'm most active on Instagram and then Facebook, so let's start with the face. So I've got the Ordinary Hylamide Photography Foundation. It's a based tint photo in the shade Golden Tan. It's a part of the Finisher series, and I did try this a couple of times before, and this looks like a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury's Wonder Glow. But the first couple of times that I used this product, I wasn't really fond of it. I don't know if it was mixing with my moisturizer in a different way. So today I don't have any moisturizer on my face, just my serum. So let's see how this product is gonna go on my face today. So I'm gonna apply a touch of this all over my face as a primer, and what happened in the past is that it kind of didn't spread properly. It was like balling up and kind of rolling off my face every time I was trying to apply it. So, and I applied it directly on my face. So today I'm gonna warm up a little bit on the back of my hand and try and apply it on my face. Actually, this is applying better. And the direction on this also says that you can apply it on top of your foundation, mix it with your foundation, or apply it as your primer for a glowy dewy finish. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Ordinary Serum Foundation Lightweight Serum Formula, and I have the shade in 3.0Y and 3.1Y. Let's see what this is gonna be like. This sounds very liquidy as opposed to the full coverage foundation, which is a little bit more thick and creamy. By the way, I'm sure you can hear my washing machine go off on its own. Gotta do the multitasking. And that seems really lightweight and liquidy like the claims. It is a little too yellow, so probably we can mix in 3.0Y into the mix as well. So I'm actually, I would say, a mix of 3.0 and 3.1. And to buff this into my skin, I'm using the Becca Flat Top Kabuki brush. Wow, I am really so impressed. It is truly lightweight. I honestly feel like I've just got a serum on my skin, like no makeup, and it looks like skin. It doesn't look like I've got like a thick layer of foundation on, and it's got a pretty good coverage as well. I wouldn't really call it full coverage, but I wouldn't call it medium either. It's somewhere in between medium and full, and that was also really easy to blend out into the skin. Wow, I am really impressed with the way my skin is looking right now, guys. This combination is really bomb. Anyways, for my concealer, I'm gonna go into the Makeup Revolution concealer palette in the shade Medium Dark. And I'm gonna pop in this shade right here underneath my eyes, and a mix of a couple of these colors on my hyperpigmentation around my mouth. And this product, I've used it in so many of my previous videos. It is an okay product. It's not amazing, and the only problem is that it's not that long lasting and it's not that crease proof. And to blend my concealer, I'm gonna use the Zoeva Silk Finish brushes. And guys, I really love the Zoeva brushes. As you can see, that really did not fully cover my under eyes, so it's not as pigmented as you would want this palette. But if you are looking for something affordable with a bunch of shade options and stuff, guys, this works. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Now to set all of this, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Palette, also in the shade, does it even have a shade? I guess not. In the Zoeva powder brush. I'm sure you've seen me use these products a million times as well. Alright, so I'm happy with the face except for the fact that it is already kind of beginning to crease up on my smile lines and a little bit on my forehead. So I'm gonna blame that on the Makeup Revolution concealer palette, and also the hyperpigmentation around my mouth is more pronounced now than in the beginning. The trick to making this concealer work is that you have to slowly and gently pack the concealer on your trouble spot. You can't like swipe or blend or buff this concealer. It just wipes right off. Even if you go to apply a little bit of powder to set it in, if you are wiping and buffing the powder on top, the concealer is just vanishing. A little bit of work, guys. Let's quickly do our brows, and for that I'm gonna use this little product called the RIMMEL brow definer or something like that. Now RIMMEL is not cruelty free. I received this in one of my PR packages. I didn't have another British owned eyebrow product, so I had to make do with this guy. I'm gonna first prime my eyelid using the Eyeshadow Fix Matte Longwear eyeshadow primer by Zoeva. Ooh, and it's so tacky. I love it. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Zoeva Caramel Melange eyeshadow palette. How gorgeous is this packaging? Let me tell you that. And I'm going to start off by using this shade, Universal Delight. I'm going to pack this shade all over my eyelid to set that primer. Now taking this shade called Wax Paper, which is pretty much a white shade, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and tear duct. Do you see the pigment on that though? It's insane. Taking this shade called Aftertaste, I'm gonna smoke out my crease. Using that same shade, I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line as well. Now it's the fun part. I'm gonna take the shade called Edible Gem and apply it all over my lid area. I'm gonna pack on this color and build it up until I am satisfied with that intensity. And I'm also gonna get that same shade onto my lower lash line as well. Now taking that same blending brush without any extra product on it, I'm gonna go over the edges of this deep chocolate brown shade and really blend it out into a transition shade. This is one of those really super simple, easy eyeshadow look that anybody and everybody can do, guys. I'm gonna take this shade called Liquid Center on my fingertips and pack this onto the inner half of my eyelid. With a small definer brush, I'm also gonna clean out my crease area. To really help this eyeshadow look pop, I'm gonna take this shade called Almost Burnt and pop it into the inner corner of my eyes. You know what? I'm gonna spritz my brush with a little bit of setting spray to help this shadow show up on top of the other shadows. Alright. I am loving this. Ba -ba 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 -ba. Oh girl, yes. To finish this look, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner pen and give myself a fierce wing. Okay, we're done with the eyeshadow and eyeliner, and I am really loving it. Now I want to do a little bit of accent graphic lining with this copper, and the only brand that I have is this Indian brand called Lakme, so that's what I'm gonna use. For this, I'm gonna start by outlining my crease halfway right here, and then also outlining my wing all the way across. Let's see what it's gonna turn out to be like. Okay, let's see. I think I needed a little bit more gold liner for this, a little less copper. That's what we look like. And now we're gonna apply our mascara, for which I'm gonna use the Zoeva graphic mascara. I've never used this mascara before, so oh wow, I'm impressed. And after applying my mascara, I will be applying fake lashes. Today I'm using the Avina lashes, which is definitely a British based brand. These are the style in Bad Girl, or at least I think. I don't know if I've mixed up my package with the lashes. This mascara is bomb.com. That is just one coat of mascara and I already feel like I've got false lashes on. I am really impressed with this, and I'm gonna give this a 5 on 5. Okay and dokie, eyes are done and I am really feeling it. I clipped my hair out of my face so that it's less distracting, so excuse these little horns. Now let's move on to the cheeks. Let's start off with a little bit of highlighter now, shall we? For this I have the ELOISE Get Glowed Illuminating Drops. These were so Instagram famous like a couple of months ago, and I have 4 shades, and today I'm using the shade in Champagne Glow 3. These are quite tricky to use, and the best way to use it is using a damp beauty blender, which I don't have on my table right now, and I'm too lazy to get one. So I am gonna just use kabuki brush. First I'm gonna dot a couple of dots on my cheekbones, and then I'm gonna blend it in. Oh yeah, I'm getting stressed now. Need a blending brush. That is intense. It's so beautiful. Do you see that? And whatever is remaining on my brush, I'm gonna take it over my eyebrows as well. Oh, that glow is so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm not gonna stop there. I'm gonna take my Sleek Makeup Cleopatra highlighting little quad. This was a gift from Shweta Vijay, and I'm gonna take this champagne shade and pop it right on top to really pop that highlight and kind of get it like blinding. I just wanted to shine my inner glow out. For my blush, I'm gonna take the Coral Spectrum palette from Zoeva, and this is the outer packaging, and it feels like that rubberized packaging of NARS, and this is the very first time I've ever touched the outer packaging of a product where it feels so luxurious and it's not just cardboard as well. When you open, the inside of it is just also so luxurious, so rubberized. I love rubberized packaging. It's just so beautiful. And here are all the blushes. I'm going to take a mix of these 2 peachy shades and pop it onto my cheeks. And for that, I'm going to take the Zoeva Luxe Powder Brush. Now it looks like this video is sponsored by Zoeva. No guys, it's not. These products were definitely sent to me as a part of PR package, like I said in the beginning of the video, but not sponsored. Yesterday I got a new package from Zoeva with all of their new ultra matte liquid lipsticks, and these are all the shades they have in the matte. I've also got one from their Velour collection, which dries matte, and also one from their, what collection is this? Sorry, this is the Velour one, and this is the pure lacquer one, which has a very shiny finish. I'm gonna take one of these shades. I've also got all of their new lip liner pencils. All of Zoeva makeup is available in Sephora Middle East. Waterproof lip liner in the shade BB7, and I'm gonna line my lips with it. Oh, it's so creamy. This creasing on my mouth area is bothering me, and I'm going for the pure matte liquid lipstick in the shade Courtesy Call. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that acrylic doe foot applicator and all that. Fancy. Love it. That's a perfect match for that lip liner. Oh, I love it. So while that is drying, let me tell you about the cruelty-free policy of European cosmetic market. So as long as a makeup brand is completely European, like Charlotte Tilbury, Zoeva, Pixi, Sleek Makeup, they are all supposed to be cruelty-free as of European laws. You cannot test them on animals. But products like RIMMEL London, which is also European, but these products which are sold outside of Europe, like in China, they're not cruelty-free anymore, because countries like China has a mandatory law where all makeup brands have to be tested on animals before being able to be sold in China. So I hope that clears a little bit of confusion. I'm gonna completely set my face with a little bit of Pixi's makeup fixing mist, and I especially love this because it's also got green tea and aloe extract in it. I'm having trouble talking today. Here we have the almost completed face, but the creasing is driving me nuts. I'm not mad at the foundation or the primer, but that Makeup Revolution powder and concealer kit is just not doing it. So I'm gonna take this Pixi loose powder and set my face, and this powder comes with a little puff which I have used in one of my previous videos. If you remember which one, comment down below and let me know. So I am not gonna use this puff because I have a full face of makeup on. So I'm gonna unscrew this, try to be as careful as possible, and then I'm gonna jab a big fluffy powder brush right into the cap. Oh, It's already so much better. Now I'm gonna take that setting spray once again and spritz it all over my face to help that translucent powder really set into my face. Where am I spritzing it? That went somewhere over there. That's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. What did you like most about this video, and which other country would you like me to try? Now let's quickly get into the comment of the day. This one's coming from Samira R. Good review. How is your cat? I like your cat so much. And she left this comment under my new sugar liquid lipstick, the suede one. You can watch that video right here. And how is my cat? Oh my gosh, let me show you. There he is. He's fat and fluffy and always hungry, always wanting to eat. Snuggles, you're not supposed to eat that much. No, you're not supposed to eat that much. Oh, my cuddly bear. He's just so happy. And guys, he's the cutest cat on the planet. I know every cat mommy will say this, but he really is the cutest cat on the planet. Yeah. If you'd like to see Snuggles more, guys, I show him all the time on Instagram stories. He is part of the family. Thank you so much for watching my video and leaving your precious comments under my video. I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you like this video. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Older videos are right down below. Okay guys, bye.